In this video, we're going to show you why Smartsheet has become such a powerful workflow layer for organizations already running Jira, Power BI, Salesforce, and other similar platforms. Instead of managing work in silos, Smartsheet helps teams move information across platforms, automate handoffs, and keep everyone, from sales to delivery to leadership, working from the same source of truth. If you care about eliminating manual re-entry, closing the gap between business and technical teams, and turning disconnected systems into one coordinated workflow, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at Smartsheet as the workflow layer that connects systems like Jira, Power BI, and Salesforce, and how JRG Consulting Group helps organizations design, deploy, and scale that layer across the enterprise. The big idea is simple. Instead of managing work in silos, Smartsheet helps teams move information across platforms and keep everyone aligned. And JRG Consulting Group is the partner that makes that build-out happen the right way, the first time. Smartsheet is a cloud-based work management platform built for planning, tracking, and executing work in a familiar spreadsheet-style format. It combines the feel of Excel with project management, automation, dashboards, and integration capabilities. JRG Consulting Group specializes in taking that raw platform and configuring it into a purpose-built system tailored to your operations, your teams, and your existing tech stack. Smartsheet helps teams organize tasks, reduce manual follow-up, and improve visibility across projects and operations. It's especially useful when work needs to move between departments because it can automate handoffs and centralize status tracking. JRG's role is to identify exactly where those handoffs are breaking down today and design the Smartsheet architecture, sheets, workflows, automations that fixes it. One of Smartsheet's biggest advantages is that it's easy to learn because it looks and feels like Excel. That makes adoption faster for business users who already know how to work in a grid, enter data, filter records, and build simple tracking workflows. JRG builds on that natural familiarity with structured training and change management, so adoption doesn't just happen fast, it sticks. You can think of Smartsheet as an API-style connector that links different pieces of software together. It does not replace Jira, Power BI, or Salesforce. Instead, it helps move data and actions between them, so the business can operate from one coordinated workflow. JRG Consulting Group designs and builds that connective layer, mapping the integrations, configuring the connectors, and making sure data flows accurately in both directions. Smartsheet fits into the existing IT landscape, rather than forcing a rip-and-replace approach. It integrates with enterprise systems of record and supports connections to tools already in use, including Jira, Salesforce, and other common business platforms. JRG works directly with your IT team throughout deployment to ensure the build-out respects existing infrastructure, security requirements, and governance standards from day one. With Jira, Smartsheet can help bridge the gap between business teams and technical teams. For example, requests, ticket status, and project milestones can be surfaced in Smartsheet while Jira remains the source for issue management and development tracking. JRG configures this bridge so business stakeholders get visibility without ever touching Jira directly, reducing friction between technical and non-technical teams. With Salesforce, Smartsheet can support handoffs from sales into delivery, project setup, and customer-facing execution. The Salesforce connector can sync data one way or bidirectionally, and it can even create or update records across the two systems. JRG designs these sync rules and automations so that when a deal closes, the downstream project setup happens automatically. No manual re-entry, no dropped handoffs. Power BI can be used to analyze and visualize the data that Smartsheet aggregates from operational workflows. Smartsheet helps organize the process data, and Power BI turns that data into dashboards and insights for leadership and performance monitoring. JRG builds the reporting architecture end-to-end, ensuring the data flowing into Power BI is clean, consistent, and structured for the metrics leadership actually cares about. Here's a simple example. A deal closes in Salesforce, a project is created in Smartsheet, technical tasks are tracked in Jira, and leadership monitors progress in Power BI. That creates one connected flow from sale to delivery to reporting. And it's exactly the kind of end-to-end deployment JRG Consulting Group specializes in building for our clients. This approach reduces duplicate entry, shortens handoff time, and improves visibility across teams. It also helps standardize processes, so work doesn't depend on email chains, spreadsheets, or manual status updates. These are the same outcomes JRG targets in every engagement. Our clients typically see throughput improvements between 20% and 50%, with ROI in the range of 3 times to 5 times. From an IT perspective, Smartsheet can be managed as part of the enterprise application stack, with user and permission management integrations supporting more controlled access. That matters because workflow tools only create value when they are secure and governed well. JRG builds governance frameworks, permissions, admin structures, naming conventions, and scalability standards into every deployment so the system stays clean and secure as it grows. Adoption is usually easier than with more complex platforms because the interface is familiar. Teams can often begin with simple tracking sheets and then expand into automations, dashboards, connector workflows, and cross-system reporting as maturity grows. JRG guides that maturity curve directly, starting with quick wins, then expanding the build-out in phases, backed by hands-on training, so your team can eventually manage and extend the system independently. Cost savings typically come from reduced manual work, fewer status meetings, less duplicate data entry, and faster issue resolution. Smartsheet's own pricing is subscription-based, with published plans commonly starting around $9 per member per month for Pro and $19 per member per month for Business when billed annually. Beyond licensing, JRG Consulting Group ensures the platform is actually built out to capture those savings, because the ROI comes from the deployment, not just the software. In summary, Smartsheet works as a simple Excel-like control layer that connects Jira, Power BI, and Salesforce into one workflow ecosystem. JRG Consulting Group is the partner that designs, deploys, and scales that ecosystem across your organization, turning a flexible platform into a fully operational system that drives faster execution, better visibility, and lower operating friction across the business. If you're ready to explore what that looks like for your organization, JRG offers a free consultation to get started.